Japanese barberry is an invasive shrub that's native to Asia. It was originally brought to the United States as an ornamental plant, but it has since spread and begun to colonize the forest floor. One of the easiest ways to identify Japanese barberry is to go out in late fall when the leaves are a bright red and there are small red berries hanging off of the stems, or to go out in late winter when it is one of the first plants in March to turn green. Another way to identify Japanese barberry is to look at the leaf pattern, where the foliage forms in whorls of leaves up and down the stem. There is a native barberry to the United States, but it is not found in New York and can be found further down the Appalachian Mountains. If you find Japanese barberry on your property, you can remove it by cutting back all of the growth so that you're left with only the root ball and slowly pulling and digging that root ball out over time. It may take several seasons of cutting back and pulling out roots, but eventually you can clear large infestations and leave yourself with only small growths of barberry that are easy to pull. Removing Japanese barberry will create a more biodiverse forest where native plants will have the space and the opportunity to grow. It can also reduce the odds of you contracting Lyme disease on your property because the mice that carry the ticks that can transmit Lyme like to hide within the thorny shrubs of the barberry plant in order to be safe from predators.